Everybody, Forrest and Sean here. We're picking 2023 Upper Deck Goodwin Champions Hobby 8-box number 1, random letter style. We got 16 spots here. Some combos. They were shown in the description, though. Let's go ahead and random, then we'll get started. 4 and 1, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Francis M. down to Michael T. And the letters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A down to D. All right, Francis A, Wesley P and W, Lance B and X, Chang L and R, Jarui C and Y, Wesley F and H, Kensuke T and V, Brian B G Q, Tony has N and U, Long J K, Ruben has I and O, Andrew B M, Clay with J, Nam Q S and Z, Andrew B E, Michael T D. All right, there's the link for the results. So the letter refers to the first letter of the subject, the first name of the subject. So Tiger Woods would go T, Michael Jordan would go M, so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and get started. Got the checklist up. Nice. But no, Penix is not in the product. I don't think any current collegiate players are in it. I don't think. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. All right, here we go. 8 boxes. Oh man, get ready for some nonsense too. This is a fun product to open. Get silly. Here's how do you say that? Gondrazik? Gondrazik? Yeah, Control F every time. Yeah, use that every time for anything. Search any document. Derek Lively on the rainbow foil? Yeah, rainbow refractor Derek Lively for D. He's been good this year for the Mavericks. Sky Odom. This is new. This just released recently. CJ Stroud. Splash of color, CJ Stroud. Would go to C. Bryce Young, Young Guns. That's pretty cool. Bryce Young, Young Guns. For B. Wilkin. Again, 2 hits per box in this stuff. That is a Darius Garland. Starland. Stroud base. Young Guns of Sydney, McLaughlin, Levrone? Levrone? Tamar Johnson, rookie chrome there. That is a Will Zalatoris splash of color. Dylan Cruz splash of color. Hey guys, there's more of this tomorrow morning as well. Auto, Judah Mintz. Judah Mintz rookie auto going to J. That is, whoa, can't barely read that. Sydney McLaughlin Levrone at $2.99. Oh, try to read the name on that card. It hurts your eyes.
Jeez.
Next is a Carissa Moore on the splash of color little holographic here. pretty cool. I think that counts as one of the hits. It goes to C. We need more cards look like that. Izzy Abanikanda rookie.
That'll make you puke.
I like that one more than the
like
Mojo look. That is 22 of 100. Kevin Parada on the Upper Deck exclusives for K. Lenticular. That's the name of it. Lenticular. Keishon Butte splash of color. And Iga Swiatek. She's really good, right, Swiatek?
Why does it have like a scratchy thing?
It's I think there's bounties with these, right? I believe there is. It says in the checklist.
Huh. Interesting.
I believe that's what
I'll put that there for.
Yeah, I think that counts as I think that counts as one of the hits.
Cool. Interesting.
Oh, come on, Spencer. Get real, Spencer.
Get real.
Get real. That is Anthony Richardson. Very nice on the red. Splash of color. Rainbow red. No serial numbering on it. Nice card, though. Hey. Spencer's delusional, dude.
Spencer's got problems, man.
Michael Jordan on the chrome there for M. Mikey Romero. What letters did you get? You get the power of Mark on your side now. Hey, Young Gun CJ Stroud's pretty cool.
Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch. Come on, come on. Feel it.
Gabo Moreno, rookie chrome. Well, we are a box and a half in of an 8-box break, so there is a little more time left, you could say. Jimmy Connors, splash of color. G.G. Jackson. Lena Oberdorf. That is a Sky Clark rookie autograph. Going to S. Sky Clark. That is a Ken Griffey Jr. Tortoise Shell to 149 for K. Junior. Lenticular, Darius Garland going to D. D having a good break here. Darius Garland, Lenticular. That one doesn't have it on that. Rainbow, Jackson Holiday for J.
That's strange.
Clear, we got Lando Oberdorf for L. Young Guns, Jamar Johnson, T. Bryce Young on the splash of color for B. All right, moving along. So one auto, one lenticular in the first couple of boxes. Each of the first couple boxes. Got Sidney McLaughlin Lavrone. Parada. Got Haley Van Lith. Michael Jordan, the upper deck design here. Ernie Johnson. EJ has autos in this.
Oh, that's awesome.
Haley Van Lith, rookie Rainbow for H. We stick to hit an Ernie auto.
Yeah, I'm down with that. Legend.
Young Guns Elijah Green going to E. E. Nick Smith Jr. N on the rookie chrome. Yeah, more than there were last year at least. Kijani Wright. Yeah, definitely more MJ auto. There was, what, one in Goodwin Champs last year, and it was pulled in the first, like, week or so. Brooks Lee. Or something. No, not Goodwin. Something else. Stroud base. That's Kevin Parada. K. Nick Smith Jr. Splash of color. His gambling debt. Yeah, there you go. Brandon Miller, splash of color as well for B. And we got any fun sports bets tonight? Ooh, nice. And Nick Smith Jr. That's what I was saying. There's more than just 1.5 breaks in an 8-box break. End spot. Very nice hit. Nick Smith Jr. Followed by Will Zalatoris. Goodwin Champions. That is Cosmic to 199. That's cool. I like the Cosmic. Will Zalatoris. Keishon Butte on the lenticular for K. That is Michael Mayer rookie red rainbow. Those are non-numbered for M. Sharapova. Amanda Anisimova. All right, moving on. Box 4 now. Box 4. Well, if everybody complains, Shane, does every spot hit really well? Juju Watkins, man, if complaining worked, and Shane would hit every single break.
Good Lord. Might even hit a shot in Fort.
Rainbow, Sidney McLaughlin Levrone for S.
Oh, God.
Hey, Nick Smith Jr. Young Guns for N. Got Eric Daly rookie. You certainly would have picked first in Almanac at some point.
Yeah.
That was warranted, though. That was just a really tough stretch of bad luck.
Yeah.
That doesn't even make sense to me. Jordan Walsh, Young Guns for J. That was legitimate. That was worthy. Shy Odom. I said Sky Odom. It's Shy Odom. It's like Shy Guy from Mario. Isimova. Nick Smith again on the chrome. Yeah, some of the photos are weird because you can't have them in like licensed gear for most of them. I think for any of them really. Outside of hockey players. Ilya Taporia. And even then, they have Gretzky, just like whatever. Jaden Bradley. Hey, what do we say? We got a Gaudy Ernie Johnson auto. That's so awesome, dude. How rare is the EJ auto?
That's cool, man.
That is awesome. I like that a lot. Let's see. There's odds on it.
Just out of
Gaudy auto Ernie 1 in 279 hobby packs. Nice. There we go. Congrats for E. Are you?
I got it back, Ernie, man. Out of respect. He's awesome.
You said it's a conspiracy, Shane. That's why you're on the trash list. Nicholas Iamaleva?
Today, Junior.
I'm trying, man. $2.99. Nicholas I. Going to N. Iamaleva.
Respect Ernie. Put some respect on his name.
Lenticular of Jalen Howell. Jalen Howell for J. That is an Anthony Richardson blue. Blue rainbow there for A. Like that one.
You get 3 10s in a row.
It happened to someone. It happened to Greg too.
Yeah, it did.
JJ Starling clear. And he had 2 spots in each, and he still ended up with like 9 and 10 in like 2 straight.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
That's a stinger.
Shane thought he had bad luck. Anthony Richardson on the splash of color for A.
Mixing a kill every now and then.
Carissa Moore on the splash of color. All right. Halfway through. Some fun stuff so far.
Have you played with this guy lately?
Who?
Shane?
Yeah, we played the other night, didn't we?
Did we?
Did we all play the other day?
I don't know, man. I don't know what day it is.
I hear you on that.
Just keep it moving. That's all I do.
I got so confused. I went home last Saturday night because I broke during the day on Saturday. That never happens. I got home and like I put the trash out because they do like they come around and pick it up in front of like a door. Yeah, the valet.
Yeah.
And they don't do Saturday and Sunday or Friday, Saturday. They don't do. And Larissa's like, she's like, it's Saturday. I was like, what?
At least you didn't show up at the bar thinking it was Saturday.
What it was I normally don't work Saturdays. Then I work Sunday night. But I work Wednesday and Thursday daytime, and I break in Saturday and Sunday daytime over the weekend. I just got back from like the trip too. It was just like so
everything
bad.
was off.
Yeah, it's like the time of year where nobody knows what day it is.
Yeah. I'm with you.
Once it hits like December like 24th, you're like, dude, I don't even know.
Until at least March.
There's a weird college football game on all times of the day. That's a Stroud red rainbow. That's a cool one. CJ for C. Any C and Y? What is C and Y? That stands for something I'm just too dumb to know. Goodwin definitely a little better this year. I like the design a lot, actually. Even the base. The official. There's a Haley Jones. Darius Garland. This now. Young Guns, Brandon Miller for B. Brandon Miller again on the chrome. Jackson Holiday, splash of color for J. Juju Watkins. That is a Me Official auto, rookie auto for M. Here we go. Rookie Julian Phillips Tortoiseshell for J to 149. They even do class reunions anymore? Lenticular Carissa Moore again.
Yeah.
I don't even know if my high school did anything. I would have gone anyway.
Yeah, I know.
I really don't know, Spencer. I don't even know when that happened. Ken Griffey Jr. Where were you, Spencer? You answer the question first. Young Guns, Iga Swiatek.
One has it, one don't.
Yeah, one must be.
Interesting. Like in some sort of like.
Definitely rarer, I would assume. Jordan Walsh.
It's the only one that has it so far.
Definitely haven't. I'll say. It's Justin Crawford. I'm telling you, Sean, this guy is delusional.
Guy's got problems, man.
think the thumbs up is a sign of madness, honestly.
And his fandom of Detroit.
That's honestly probably the root of it
I
all.
think that's the problem.
I don't blame him.
But that's the problem. That's
what
where it
happens.
starts.
Yeah.
Deep pain.
It's like being a Dolphins fan your whole life.
But they've been worse.
Drives you over the edge.
Yeah.
Bryce Young, Young Guns. Young Bryce, Young Guns. I think we all are.
Yeah.
I think we all kind of are together, collectively. Nick Smith Jr. Rainbow for N.
Except Spencer's on a fast track. That's for sure.
Dude, whenever you see Spencer and Illegal and Shane in chat, you just know, like...
There's a problem.
There's a Tiger. Derek Lively. Yeah. It's part of my insanity as being a Magic fan. And just having very little hope ever. Now their season's starting to fall apart. Everyone's getting hurt.
Yeah, he was here earlier.
He was here. He was here for maybe like 15 minutes.
Yeah, he's probably passed out somewhere.
Mikey Romero.
Said he was litty.
Ken Griffey Jr. Came in here just to terrorize us for a little bit, then leave. Jackson Holiday. We dodged a bullet. If Shane and him were in chat together at the same time. Caleb Williams. I would have had to get a pair of waders on.
Yeah.
Trudging through that muck.
That slop.
Anthony Black.
Shane's stuck in a hotel room in New York.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
A Juju Watkins. Oh, that's pretty cool. She's a big recruit. Juju Watkins for Jay. It's a very nice signature, too. The young men need to take note. That's how it's done right there. Hey, nice Tiger on the orange prism to $4.99 for T. Tiger Woods. Yeah, it might be the same way every time. Same stack of the hits. That's not unique to just this. Justin Crawford, Lenticular. That one has the code on the back too. Justin Crawford for Jay. Some doing some. Let me see if I can find those.
Yeah, that's interesting. That's only the second one of all those you pulled to have that.
Let's see. There's tiers. Does it say a number on the back of the Will foil at all?
Oh, it's the same as that one. Everything looks the same except for that little
I think the card number itself might have something to do with it.
But here's two of the same card with one with it on it. It's the same number.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
What I just typed in is even on there. Huh. Crawford's not even listed in there. It says only, this is the quote on the checklist, only a percentage of the splash of color 3D lenticular variant cards are bounty cards. Doesn't say anything else.
We got two of them.
Yeah. Not totally rare, I would guess then, but yeah, some of them do have a...
Because some of them, the same card, don't have one on it.
Yeah, it was only the Crawford and one of the Carissa Moores so far that had that, so...
It's interesting.
That is a Darius Garland for D on the blue rainbow blue, D. Young Guns, Oswald Peraza, O. Scoot Henderson, splash of color. Wonder if they have it on the website what the bounty actually is, or if they haven't even announced it yet. Will Anderson, splash of color, two more.
Oh, man.
So I love a Garland, Darius Garland. A Jackson Holiday green rainbow for Jay. Moreno. Finally, some sports are on. Anthony Black.
I don't know what you're talking about, dude.
Elijah Green Young Gun for E. Yeah, what?
I have no idea what you're talking about. Otherwise, I would have commented on it, but I'm lost, dude.
Good game here. Nick's looking decent with OG.
Mike D in the place to be. What up,
Scoot.
son?
How you doing, Mike?
What up, Mike?
Got Knicks and Sixers on for their hour until the Magic and Nuggets start.
Let's go, Magic.
Caleb Williams, Young Guns. Or C, so Caleb has cards. So there are some current collegiate players in there. At least one. J.J. Starling. Gabriel Moreno. Izzy Abanikanda. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no, Spencer's got problems, dude.
Tyrese Proctor, rookie authentics auto to $2.99 for T. Tyrese Proctor.
It was good, Mike.
Orange Prism, Jackson Holiday at a $4.99 for Jay.
It was good. How about yours?
Yeah, mine were good.
Just spend it with the family, pretty much it.
Brandon Miller, Lenticular for B. Had a nice New Year's here in the warehouse. A Shy Odom rookie rainbow for S. Haley Van Lith rookie on the pink tracks at $2.99. Mia Official.
This guy's something else, man.
Yeah, Embiid's filthy.
He's really
Peraza.
Like, fun to watch, man.
That's good, Mike.
Yes, sir.
Last box.
Oh,
Cowboys
God.
division. They,
God.
they should, right? They're playing Washington, I think. Is that who they're playing?
You had to come in and say that. Gosh, dog it.
Red Rainbow, Michaela Williams for M. Stroud there. Young Guns, Nicholas Iamalieva for N. Nick, we'll go Nicholas. Nicholas I. Johnny Wright. That's Will Zalatoris. Young Guns, Noah Clowney for N. Well, then the Cowboys should probably have a pretty easy one then. I think the Commanders are trying to tank it here. It should be. Jace Young. Yeah, it does kind of look like I'm a Leva. Will Zalatoris on the chrome. Nick Smith Jr. rainbow foil. Rainbow chrome, I guess. N. Christian Vaquero. That's sick. Darwin Nunez. Rookie exquisite. When was they said he's rookie in 2023? All right. I don't think he is, but that's awesome. To 149, Darwin Nunez. Rookie exquisite. Darwin's very good. Got Michaela Williams, pink tracks, number 2, $2.99 for M. Lenticular Derek Lively for D. Pink tracks of Ken Griffey Jr. for K, number to $2.99. A lot of numbered in this last box here. Haley Van Lith. CJ Stroud, splash of color insert. Darius Garland. All right, that does it. Let's do a quick recap here. Thanks, everybody, for filling that one up. And there's more of these tomorrow daytime with Kyle. More Goodwin. So numbered cards, then the hits. I think the lenticulars do count as hits. All right, so we had numbered Holiday, Jackson Holiday, Tiger Woods, Michaela Williams, Nicholas Iamaliva, Ken Griffey Jr., Sydney McLaughlin-Levrone. That is Haley Van Lith, Will Zalatoris, Ken Griffey Jr., Kevin Parada, Darius Garland, Keishon Butte, Jalen Howell, Carissa Moore. That one is a bounty. The Crawford is also a bounty. Those are the only two.
Yeah.
Brandon Miller, Derek Lively, Darwin Nunez on the rookie exquisite. That's pretty cool. Autos now, we had Tyrese Proctor, Juju Watkins, Mia Fishel, Nick Smith Jr., Sky Clark, Judah Mintz.
And this one's out of pure respect right here.
And then an Ernie Johnson auto. Sick Ernie, dude.
Love me some Ernie, man.
And that'll do it for number 1. Number 2 coming up. Thanks, everybody.